Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going to Bathinda, a city that truly shows what Punjab is all about. It's a place with lots of history where the land is full of life and the people are super friendly. Bathinda, sometimes called the City of Lakes, is like a beautiful mix of history, culture and busy businesses. Come with me as we explore this amazing city in Punjab. We'll learn about its history, experience its culture and see why Bathinda is so special. Every city has a story, a unique narrative woven through time and space. These stories are often hidden in plain sight, waiting to be discovered by those who seek to understand the essence of a place, a past that makes it what it is today. Bathinda, a city in the heart of Punjab, India, is no exception. Its history is rich, layered, and deeply intertwined with the broader history of the region. Bathinda has a long and interesting history. From ancient times to the present day, it has been a witness to countless events, each leaving an indelible mark on its character. If the walls of its buildings could talk, they would tell tales of empires and kingdoms, of battles fought and won, of cultures that have come and gone. Imagine the stories they would tell, stories of valor and bravery, of love and loss, of everyday life in times long past. Our journey starts with King Bahadur Singh, a visionary leader who founded this great city. He started building Bathinda with a dream to create a thriving center of culture and commerce. He started building Bathinda, laying the foundations for what we see today. His efforts were not just about constructing buildings, but about creating a legacy that would endure through the ages, making it what we see today. The city has grown and evolved, blending the old with the new, creating a unique tapestry of history and modernity. But the story goes back even further, to times when the land was ruled by powerful empires. Each era added its own chapter to Bathinda's story, to the powerful Maurya Empire, which ruled this area a long time ago. The Mauryas were known for their administrative prowess and military might, which ruled this area a long time ago. Their influence can still be felt in the cultural and historical fabric of Bathinda. One of the most important places in Bathinda is Kila Mubarak, a huge fort built by the brave Pati Rajput rulers. This fort stands as a testament to the city's strategic importance and its storied past. A huge fort built by the brave Pati Rajput rulers. The architecture of Kila Mubarak is a marvel, showcasing the skills and artistry of the craftsmen of that era. This fort has seen so much history. It has been a silent witness to the rise and fall of empires, to the ebb and flow of human endeavors. Imagine the sounds of swords clashing, elephants trumpeting, and the commands of kings and queens from long ago. The fort's walls have absorbed these echoes of the past, and kings and queens from long ago. Their stories are etched into the very stones of Kila Mubarak, waiting to be discovered by those who visit. Kila Mubarak isn't just a fort, it's a living museum full of amazing stories. Each corner, each stone has a tale to tell, a piece of history to share. It's like a living museum full of amazing stories. Visiting Kila Mubarak is like stepping back in time, experiencing the grandeur and the history of Bathinda firsthand. Bathinda is in the southern part of Punjab. Known for its friendly people and delicious food, this city is a blend of rich history and modern development, making it a unique place to visit or live in. Imagine big fields of green and gold stretching out as far as you can see. These fields are not just beautiful, they are the lifeblood of the region, providing food and livelihood to many. This is the Malwa area, where lots of food grows, and Bathinda is right in the middle of it. The fertile soil and favorable climate make it an agricultural hub, producing a variety of crops like wheat, cotton and sugarcane. It's close to Chandigarh, the capital city, which is modern and busy. Chandigarh is known for its well-planned architecture and urban design, offering a stark contrast to the more traditional and historical Bathinda. Chandigarh is very different from Bathinda, which is full of history. Bathinda boasts landmarks like the Bathinda Fort, which dates back to the 6th century, and the bustling markets that surround it, offering a glimpse into the city's vibrant past. But Bathinda is not just about the past, it's a modern city that connects different parts of Punjab. With its growing infrastructure, including new roads, schools and hospitals, Bathinda is evolving rapidly while still retaining its cultural heritage. The land here is very fertile thanks to the rivers and sunshine. The Sutlej River in particular plays a crucial role in irrigating the fields. ensuring that the crops get the water they need to thrive. It's a place where lots of crops grow, thanks to the hard work of the people. The farmers of Bathinda are known for their dedication and expertise, making the region one of the most productive agricultural areas in Punjab. The local markets are always bustling with activity, offering fresh produce and a variety of goods. These markets are a testament to the agricultural abundance of the region and the strong community spirit of its people. As the sun sets over the fields of Bathinda, the city lights up, blending the tranquility of rural life with the vibrancy of urban living. Bathinda truly offers the best of both worlds, making it a special place in the heart of Punjab. Imagine the smell of fresh wheat, sugarcane, and the bright colours of cotton fields. That's Bathinda. Farming is super important here. Many people work on the land, growing wheat, rice, and cotton. These crops are part of Bathinda's story, passed down through many years. But Bathinda is changing and growing. You can see a big oil refinery, a power plant that gives electricity to homes, and factories that make clothes. Bathinda mixes old traditions and new ways of doing things. Bathinda is more than just buildings. It's full of culture, traditions, and celebrations. As you walk through the streets, you'll be greeted by the vibrant colours of local markets, the sounds of people chatting and laughing, and the aroma of delicious street food. The city is a living, breathing entity that thrives on its rich heritage and the warmth of its people. The people of Punjab are known for their energy and love of life, and you can see that in Bathinda. Whether it's a casual conversation at a local tea stall or a grand celebration, the enthusiasm is palpable. The locals are always ready to share a smile, a story, or a helping hand, making every visitor feel at home. There are many Sikh temples called Gurudwaras where you can hear beautiful music. These sacred spaces are not just places of worship, but also centres of community life. The melodious hymns and the rhythmic beats of traditional instruments create an atmosphere of peace and devotion that touches the soul. Bathinda also loves to celebrate. The city comes alive during festivals, with streets adorned with colourful decorations and people dressed in their finest attire. The air is filled with excitement and joy as everyone comes together to partake in the festivities. During festivals like Baisakhi and Diwali, you'll see and hear drums, smell delicious food, and see lots of bright colours and dancing. These celebrations are a feast for the senses, with traditional Punjabi dancers performing energetic routines and families cooking and serving festive dishes that are a treat to the taste buds. There are also many places to visit. The historic Qila Mubarak Fort, which stands as a testament to the city's rich history. This ancient fort offers a glimpse into the past with its impressive architecture and fascinating stories. The peaceful Gurudwara Haji Ratan, the beautiful Rose Garden, the relaxing Chetak Park, and Bathinda Lake. Each of these places offers a unique experience, from the spiritual tranquility of the Gurudwara to the natural beauty of the gardens and parks. These places show you what Bathinda is all about. They reflect the city's essence, a blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, making Bathinda a truly vibrant and welcoming destination. Bathinda is a busy city and it's easy to get around. You can travel by train, bus, or even plane. The train station is old and has seen many people come and go. The roads are like the veins of a body, connecting Bathinda to other cities. And if you want to fly, there's Bathinda Airport. You can also explore the old city, ride a colourful bus, or take an auto rickshaw. Bathinda has weather that is just like the people of Punjab, strong and full of changes. The summers are very hot, like the hot sun. But when the sun goes down, a nice breeze cools everything off. Winters are very cold, perfect for sitting around a fire, telling stories and drinking hot tea. Then comes the monsoon season, when the rain comes and everything turns green. You can smell the wet earth and see the lightning in the sky. Bathinda knows that education is important for the future. There are many schools, colleges and universities here. The Punjabi University Extension Campus is a very important place for learning. It's where students come from all over to learn and grow. Bathinda wants everyone to have a good education, so there are many different kinds of schools here. The classrooms are full of students who are excited to learn. Bathinda wants to help its young people because they are the future. Bathinda is growing quickly. There are new buildings, roads and shopping malls. It's becoming a modern city but still remembers its traditions. If you walk around, you'll see the changes. But one thing stays the same: the friendly people and their love for their city. Bathinda is a mix of old and new. It's proud of its past and excited for the future. Bathinda is more than just a city. It's a special place that you'll remember. As we say goodbye to Bathinda, I hope you have great memories of this amazing city in Punjab. We learned about its history, experienced its culture and met its friendly people. Bathinda has so much to offer, so when you think of Punjab, remember Bathinda. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time.